bark. That's the coughing thing that he's doing. Okay, is it better? We may have to go to the doctors, huh? Yes? I think so.